Hello, and thank you for visiting proja.ca. Afghans supporting Afghans to build successful projects. Our ultimate goal is to create the culture of taking action on our ideas. I will show you the 3 steps on how to use Proja and become a full member and join the weekly sessions. Your first step is to sign up once you're ready. Once you get to this page, you answer, are you working on or towards a project? If you click no, it's going to redirect you because we're looking for people that are working. And if you click on yes, you're going to be guided on to create your login and sign up information. Once you enter all the information, you click on sign up. So once you've entered your email and created a password and entered your full name, you just click on sign up to be directed to the following page. Here you have the option to choose your photo, so that will be your profile picture. You can click and be able to get that. Once you have your picture, you can create your profile at this time. And here is where you will get started on getting your 5 stars. By answering each question and going into the detail, you will be obtaining stars. In order to become a full member, you do need to get 5 stars completed. In the event that you miss any of the questions that you're not able to answer, that will eliminate you from getting that point and that star. In order to get the 5 stars, we are available to help you, and you do have to, once you answer the fields that are associated with that specific question, you will get this screen that says you have achieved 1 star. And that's when you go to the following one to be able to get your second star, third, fourth, and fifth one accordingly. So once you get your 3 stars, you will come to this section where it says that you have received the 3 stars and now you can activate your account. However, you need to get support. By clicking your activate your account, you get to the page where you have missed the 2 questions that we had asked you, the jump and the align. You have to click on both of them where you will get, let's say we go with jump. Here it will be asking you, why didn't you launch your project, right? So let's say I'm working towards it. Then here is where you will write to us that you can elaborate on your answer and explain to us what you need help with. Let's say you type what your question is and elaborating by submitting. This is where you says, do you want to brainstorm with a Proja member and help you? By clicking yes, here is where you will write what your concerns are. Let's say you just write, I'm just writing anything, and you click on submit. This is where it will tell you that we will get back to you in terms of your questions. Again, you click on OK to get to your last one. You go and you finish this. The same concept applies. So once you figure out the answers to the 2 questions, the jump and align, you click and you try again. And you're basically, by clicking these, you're going to go through the process by answering all those questions. You have now successfully achieved your 5 stars, and you can go to the next section. Here, it's basically telling you that you have become a member, but in order to become a fully, you do have to present to our committee members who will assess you before you start the weekly meetings. You join it, and you're simply basically presenting to our evaluation committee to assess it, and you'll be ready to go from that point onwards. You can click here to set me up, and you've basically achieved the membership. You can also go to our podcast by scrolling down by clicking proja.ca, and you'll be able to hear our podcasts. Thank you for watching.